So another video, how to remove the rear bumper trim on Audi RS4. Audi RS4 is a little bit slightly different than regular B7 Audi. As you can see underneath, there are clips on both sides. So it goes like that. Let me do it from this side. The lighting sucks, I know that. So basically, when you want to remove this trim, you have to be careful, because you can basically break those tabs if you're not careful enough. Some people remove the rear bumper to pull that trim out, but I don't think you have to do that. Just be extra careful, and I'm gonna show you how to remove this. So as you can see, this goes underneath. Let me do it on this side. This goes underneath of that trunk and the metal, so it slides in. That's why you see a lot of dirt and debris, because rain. So let me see the way we're gonna install it. You have to, the same way you gotta pull it out. So it's what you have to do. I'm trying to think. See, you gotta do it on the angle down, the way to install it. So the same way as you uninstall it, but when you uninstall, you have to just grab a flat screwdriver. Don't go from here, or you're gonna scratch your bumper, or maybe break something, break the tabs. So you go right here and you just angle the screwdriver, then you go a little bit in, same thing, and this edge will come out, it will go back. Same thing, you gotta do it on that end, on the other end over there, and then you gotta just put the screwdriver to the side and pull it out by pushing it up and towards you. Just be extra careful, because if you're not, you're gonna break something. I mean, you're gonna break the tabs, or maybe crack the trim. That trim is pretty solid. I don't know if you can break the trim, but definitely the tabs. I'm gonna be replacing this with carbon fiber, or maybe painting it. Maybe color match the car color, or just plastic dip black, so it kind of matches with the diffuser underneath, since it's black bumper underneath, next to exhaust black. I don't know if you can see it. So that's it. That's how you do it. Leave the comment below if you have any questions. Please subscribe. There will be more videos coming in as I go, thinking what to change, what to add on the car. And the next one will be also installing lowering springs, because I want to go 0.5 inch drop. I don't want to go crazy. The DRC suspension is still fine, so once it starts leaking, I'm just gonna go with the full coilovers. But I have the springs, the H&R sports springs. It lowers the car 0.5 in the back and 0.8 in the front. So yeah, basically that's it. Please subscribe for more upcoming videos on Audi B7 RS4. That's it. Thanks. Bye.